Hi everyone, my name is Lasanta. Today I'm going to show you this machine. It is RD6000. Now let me show you how to use it. First, you can see this number on it. It means the time is present. And look at the first button, mode. It has 3 modes. Mode 1 is red, mode 2 is infrared. Mode 3 is Z, combo, red and infrared. Touch mode to choose the wavelengths you want. And then the next button is time. It's about timing setting. You could choose 1 to 20 minutes you want. The last button is OK. When you have already set the time, you could press OK to start the machine. Now let's get started. That's all. Thanks.